Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So I just decided to unbox this item in front of you guys because I promised in my last video that I shipped some Nigerian food items, and that when it gets here I'll unbox it and then tell you guys the details in case anyone is interested. So the item just came in now via USPS. Yeah, UPS. Okay, so and I just wanted to unbox it now. So the shipping company is ADELOVE Shipping, Air Ocean. Anyway, let me just place this camera and unbox it while I tell you guys all the details, the duration, the amount, and the location. Okay. So I shipped these items in January the 19th. Okay, January 19th was the day that my brother took these food items to their branch in Lagos. Okay, so mind you, they did not buy this themselves. I mean, this company, they didn't supply this food, they just ship. So you just have to bring the items to them and they will ship. So these items were sent by my mom. Okay, then my brother took it to their branch in Lagos. They have so many branches in Nigeria. They have in Enugu, Anambra, Asaba, Aba, Lagos, Abuja. They have lots of branches. I'm going to put their website in case you're interested. I think it's kind of convenient, because they have a lot of branches. It's not just few locations. So total it took 3 weeks and 2 days for me to get this item, even though in their website they say that it takes 7 to 10 business days for you to get your item. But let's just blame everything on COVID. Let's just blame everything on COVID. It didn't actually take that duration they mentioned. It took longer than that. It took 3 weeks and 2 days for it to get to me, but that's okay. I'm happy that it is finally here. Then for the price, if you go to the website, you see their prices that you pay by according to the quantity of the items you want to ship, of course. So I have, okay, the minimum they accept is 10 kg. Okay, 10 kg. Even if you want to ship even something worth 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, you must pay for the minimum, which is 10 kg. So my item is about 7 to 8 kg. It is not up to 10 kg, but I had to pay for 10 kg because that's the minimum they accept. So everything here is not up to 10 kg, but I paid for 10 kg. And the price is air freight service. They said 48,500 naira, not dollars. Then repackaging fee is 3,000 naira. Then agricultural test 2,000 naira. So the total I paid for this thing in this box, excluding this item, because I bought them. Yeah, we bought them ourselves. Okay, so just to ship this item here in this box, I paid 54,500 naira. Okay, so I think that's the details. Okay, you can just go to their website and then read further, but this is how much I paid and how long it took for me to get this item. So let's just go ahead and just open it and see how they packaged the items. And then, wow, it's just simple, no too much repackaging. So this is just abacha, and this is crayfish. What is this? Okay, this is stock fish. I don't need to open this thing one by one because it's gonna take a lot of time. I don't need to, because I did that in my last Nigerian food stuff unboxing video. So no need of opening any of this now, just to show you what I have in here. So this is just stock fish, okporoko. This is egusi. Yeah, so this egusi, they had to grind it because they said that it must be in powdered form. They don't accept whole egusi, so that was why this egusi is ground. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm going to start with this ones. So this is my ogiri. Then finally I have some let me see what I have here. Okay, here I have potash, that is account for my abacha, and isewu and oba. This is ogbono, ground ogbono as well. This is okpaka, that is oba. I think it's locust or oil bean, I think so, oil bean seed. This is okpaka. So that's all I got. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Also give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.